After a very close encounter tonight with the Mervs, disappointment would be definitely a word that would come to mind. But first of all, I'd like to hand over to Gavin Morgan, our club captain. First of all, Gav, I'd like to say it has been a very good week for you, Gav, I understand?
Very disappointing, to be honest with you, John.
In more ways than one, I understand, Gav.
Yes, from Friday up to this day, not a good few days, but...
Could you be more explicit then, Gav, on that?
Well, Saturday my group, they crashed, wiped everything off.
All the porn, everything, Gav, yeah?
Everything gone. Debbie does Dallas, no longer.
Charlie Daniels.
It's all gone, so anyone got a copy, send it my way, please.
I understand, Mark. Anyway, anything else on the weekend that went a bit pear-shaped for you, Gav?
Monday in particular was a disappointment. My second team Reading didn't win.
Alright. I take then, Gav, you're a Cardiff City fan, yeah?
I am indeed.
Yeah. Well, on that note, Gav, I'd just like to present you tonight with your duck that you managed to achieve tonight, Gav, and it's the Swansea City AFC duck, our premier team in Wales. Thank you, Gavin.
Hey!
You join me here tonight at HQ with Mr. Lee Van Baren. Bam, 4 innings, 3 ducks. What's going on, sir?
Not a lot, really, Gav. I don't really know what we do. Good answer, really. Apparently the statistics came out tonight and my average innings is 0.25.
So what do you score in the other innings then?
Well, no, I had 4 innings, you Gav, and 1, so I bring it down to 0.25.
Yeah, so what do you score in the other innings? 1. Remember average?
No, I just...
What you score?
No, I told you, but obviously it was a little bit difficult for you.
I take my maths.
Oh, right. That one. Okay. No, yeah, sorry, get back on track. 4 innings, 1 run, 3 ducks, 1 golden duck, and that's about it, really.
Are you looking to improve for next week?
Well, I'm hoping so. I mean, my confidence is shot now, I think, so maybe a week down at nets. So, but it's not looking good at the moment. A lot of coaching, yeah, a lot of coaching.
Well, Van, 3rd duck in the, well, not in the trot, but up to 4 seasons. 4 seasons.
No, yeah, I mean...
Who said do this duck?
Pretty much right.
You're again back at HQ at the Beehive. It's my duty, more than an honour, to present Mark Lagasse with a duck tonight, but I believe Mark hasn't had a very good weekend himself. Mark, want to give us by not a very good weekend?
No, not really. My first game back from an illness, and Man United lost, so not an happy weekend for me.
Not a good weekend, Mark. Well,
and even worse now.
I'm not going to make it any easier on you, Mark. I'd like you to have the Liverpool duck.
Got matches with it.
No matches with this, actually, Mark, and I'm sure the boys would appreciate if you do just give them back intact, Mark, the way you receive it. Thank you, Mark.
Or for a second division? I can't get a second division.
Well, Mark, it's up to you to look after this now, Mark.
Was it